All right, follow me along on a little strength training with bands. And I have a yellow, green, and red. Red's the most challenging, then green. We're gonna start with yellow. You can always make it harder. So first thing I want you to do is put the band right under your feet, right in the middle part of your foot. And then make sure that the lag is equal. From here, we're gonna go straight out to the side, lateral raise. So we're gonna work our shoulders, then we're gonna go to our tricep, and then we're gonna do our bicep. So we're coming up, pausing, slow coming down. Feel like your chest is high, your shoulder blades are squeezed. 5 more. And the real key here is holding at the top and coming down slow. 3, 2, 1. Now we grab the mesh, kind of like this is a pistol. We're gonna keep our shoulders back. And this is called toy soldier. So we're gonna go out with our right arm, then switch to our left. Nice and easy. Again, starting slow, getting the form right. You gotta perfect the ordinary before you start adding more resistance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now an overhead press. So we're gonna wrap the band behind the elbow. Our chest is up, our core is engaged, and my palms are facing you to start, down to 90, and then up. If this bothers your shoulders, you can take your palms and face each other, or you can keep them how we started with the palms facing. 3, 2, last one. For this last move, I'm gonna switch to a green band, a little harder, and you wrap it around your hand. So you're just twisting around your hand. Again, the lag or the slack should be about shoulder width. Line up those feet, slight bend in the knees, extend back, slow coming forward. So the band's staying right in front of my chest. It's not going up, staying right in front. Slow coming back to center, explode going back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the bands. And what I want you to do is I want you to pick up the yellow and the green. And when you add the yellow and the green, it kind of works its way to be a red. You could go to the red if you want. You'll see that I actually want to drop one of these as we get going, so this works a little better. So we're gonna go under our feet. And we're gonna work our bicep, and this is really a posture exercise. So I'm gonna show you a side angle. And I want you to pull your shoulder blades back. Chest is elevated. We're gonna come to 90 degrees, slow coming down. When you come up, I want you to engage your bicep. As you release coming down, this eccentric move, make sure you're staying engaged. So one of the mistakes many people make is they come up and then they drop. I want you to fully engage coming up, slow coming down. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna drop the yellow. That's why I like using 2 here. We're gonna work our triceps. So we're gonna paste our elbows to the side. Our butt goes back. I want your gaze about 2 feet in front. We're just extending and the elbows hinging. Do not drop in your arms. You paste them to the side, extend back, slow coming forward. 8 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. Walk around, catch your breath. We're gonna come back. This time, if you felt like that shoulder series was easy with yellow, we're gonna switch to green. Catch your breath. So just to review, we did a lateral raise, working the middle part of your deltoid. We did a toy soldier, working the front part of your deltoid. We did a shoulder press, working all the big muscles in your shoulder. We did a reverse back or shoulder pull, working the back part of your deltoid. Then we did bicep and tricep. So what I want you to do is grab your band. I'm switching to green. Start with the feet, make sure the feet are lined up, shoulders back. Come up, pause, Slow coming down. We're gonna do 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your form good. 7, 8. Grab the mesh. And I start with 8 reps just from a beginner standpoint. We're gonna do 2 sets of 8 reps. But as you get comfortable, maybe you add more reps and maybe you add more sets. You kind of can do this at your own level, wherever you're at. Okay, toy soldier, extending your right arm, switching to the left. A couple keys is making sure that your shoulders are staying level. So I don't want you to really twist too much. I don't want you to come down. So we're extending. I love working my arms, but my entire arms, my bicep, tricep, shoulder. 3, 2, 1. They're small muscles, but they do a lot in their day-to-day. And so just a little bit of training helps them from a range of motion. We're gonna extend up, slow coming down, push. Really go slow up and slow down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just to show you, we're gonna go to the red. You could stay at the green. Again, the red's the most challenging, and many mistakes people do is they start too hard. But I'm gonna wrap the red around my hands, chest high, pull those shoulder blades back, extend, and then come in. We're gonna do 5 here because I'm doing a little more resistance. 3, 2, and 1. Home stretch bicep. I'm gonna do the red. Again, if you like the double or if you need to go to the green. Stepping on the band, coming up, engaging my bicep. My posture is in good position. Slow coming down. And with bands, I find I'm not really working the bicep maybe as much as I would with dumbbells, but my concentration, my focus, and my posture is better. So again, movement, there's not one right way. 3, 2, 1. Switch to green, tricep. I'm gonna step on the band. So from the side, I'm pacing my elbows, extending back. If you're looking at me from the front angle, same thing. I got a bend in my hips, hinge in my hips, extending my elbows back, flexing, coming forward. 3, 2, 1. Let me just show you a little home stretch. We're gonna extend back and hold. Go really slow coming forward. Extend back and hold. Slow coming forward. Last one. So resistance, pace, frequency, all different ways to strength train. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again next time.